Hey guys, welcome to Logout. Today I'll be showing you how to sign out of your Steam account on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to sign out of your Steam account on your Steam software on your computer, you can see I'm on my Steam software. I'm also logged into my account over here. Now in order to sign out from over here, there are you can see two ways. One is by clicking on your account name at the top right corner of your screen where I'm hovering right now. There is the sign out of account button, and one another way is the top left corner where it says the Steam, and there is the sign out button over here. Either ways guys, clicking on either ways you'll be signed out of your Steam account over here, and click on confirm, and you can see guys we have been successfully signed out of our Steam account, and still will take a moment to load. And that being said guys, this is how you sign out of your Steam account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.